Welcome guys, in today's video I will go through this beautiful trade where I achieve around 7 risk reward from the original risk. It was the first entry for Micros, which was making 160 risk, stop loss was 20 points, and then I was adding more and reducing the stop loss. As you can see, my average entry also moved up. We add up to 16 Micros and I was reducing the stop loss on the way. In this video I will explain everything about this trade. And now we can jump into the main part of the video. By the way, the Tradify for me still the best, the leader in the prop firm industry. I got every time paid like 5 to 10 minutes from the request, never got denied, and you can copy up to 5 accounts, and it's straight to funded. You don't need to waste 1 week wasting on the challenge. You just pay one time. Now they have nice promotion. You can have, I think, for $250 straight funded 50,000 account, then it's really good. Then go check it out. You can use my code EFARRC to have the best luck on the way to buy a payout. Okay, now we can jump to the trade. We have 1 hour swing low. This was also 15 minute swing low. Like there was more 15 minute swing low. There was also one swept. But I don't trade before New York market open. This was before play out, but anyway, I wait for market to open, which happened here. Okay, you can see this drastic move, and now we have these two. We have another here and here, and when I have a lot of potential lows like this, I also try to go higher time frame and check where is the alignment with the higher time frame. And you can see this one is also on the 1 hour, also on the 15 minutes. There's higher probability for me to take trade here. And also it was an SMT with the ES. Okay, these are this on the ES we sweep this low, on the Nasdaq we don't. I can fast show you like this. Look, wait, we are on the 15 minutes, and this is the low. Okay, you can see it's this low, and here we sweep it on the ES. Look, this low, here we sweep it, and here we do not. Okay, and this is the higher time frame SMT, and there was also higher time frame Confluence, which I will not mention here on the YouTube. It's like new Confluence in my RSC model to get the bias, and since I apply this rule, my risk reward from average 1.7 risk reward raise up to almost 3 risk reward, since I'm using this higher time frame bias Confluence. And over the bias rules I will go only inside my Discord group. Okay, here on the YouTube I will explain just pure entry model. Okay, point of interest and entry, stop loss, take profit. I will not mention bias here on the YouTube. It will be just from the premium members inside of my course. Okay, then we have this low, which also was SMT low, and it's also 15 minutes, also 1 hour. Then we have alignment, and now we go on 30 seconds and we wait. We are after market open, not yet. Yeah, and it was little bit more late here. Okay, after market open we wait for price to come to our point of interest, and it happened here. Then this is our top candle. Okay, candle which top our point of interest, and in candle before it, the candle are responsible for the move. Okay, this candle is responsible for the move down and reach to point of interest. And if we close back above this responsible candle, it mean, okay, this is the RRC candle. This mean if we close back above that this was just liquidity sweep and trend start reversing. If price react here and then come back down and continue down, it was just not enough liquidity to make a reversal, and we continue downtrend. Then we are looking for the close above, okay, which happened here. You can enter straight here or wait for some stronger candle. I enter on this candle because it also closed above this rejection, like on the same level. It was just more sure for me, and stop loss was 20 points for me. it was below this low. When you go on the screenshot from the Twitter, okay, you can see here was the stop loss, here was the entry, and I was risking 160 on the beginning, like 4 micros, and my take profit was on these highs, around on these highs. I think 816 was the take profit. It was 2.5 risk to reward, even if I don't add more into the position, but I start adding after the break of structure. Okay, then this was the, you can see here on this screenshot I explained. I adding on the break of structure. You can see this was not break of structure because we just make wick. Okay, then I am not adding on something like this. This is rejection. This could be potential stop loss coming in, but later we break the structure. Okay, and I add into the position here. Okay, I will make like this. I add in the position. Wait. We add here, and this was our entry. Then price continue come, and with this adding into the position, I reduce my stop loss around by the half. Here you can see this small fair value gap. I put my stop loss around here, and now I was just waiting, and we break down the structure, as you can see here. I also show it here. When we break down the structure, I add one more time here and reducing stop loss, but I make it before the screenshot. Here you can see my entry move up, and I reduce stop loss below the recent low. Then my stop loss, reduced stop loss was here. Okay, and then we just wait for price to reach the take profit. And after this last candle, after these two red candles, this green candle close here, I put my stop loss to the break even, which was around here. When you see on the screenshot, 778 was my average entry, 778 around here. Then I put my stop loss to have it a little bit of plus, and price just straight go and smash the take profit. You can see me often take profit, not on the end of the weeks, but on the beginning of the weeks, because you can see a lot of time SMT happen here, like price reach just here to the beginning of the week, okay, and not here, and you miss your full take profit. You lose, like in this trade I take around $1,200, and you are missing $1,200 because of, I don't know, $10, okay, difference like this. Then 99% of the time I took profit on the beginning of the week, not end of the week. It's just my small tip for this. Okay, then that's it for this video. It's very simple. We wait for market open in the New York session. We wait for price to come to our point of interest. I have my higher time frame bias, confluence, which give me like indication it should go long and then later short. And we took the long. It was really nice, from $160 risk, okay, from 160 on the beginning, which was 20 point stop loss, 4 micros, it's $160. We end up on this was around 32 points, I think, because entry was here 778, yeah, 36 around. Then we make over 1000 by risking 160, which is 1 to 7 risk to reward, 1 to 6, 1 to 7. It's pretty wild. And I start thinking about this last week, like I will, when I see market breaking a structure and continue, sometimes it can just immediately fire to your take profit, okay? Like it can go just like this and you don't have even chance to add more into the position. But when price do something like this, retrace, and then you see strong break of structure like this candle, and also this strong candle, you can add into the position and reduce your stop loss and keep risking like still $100 or $200, okay? Not adding into the position and keeping stop loss wide and risking, I don't know, 700. It's stupid. Keep your risk small always. Then this trade play out very nice, and I took it on my trade copy, and I took it on a lot of accounts, on multiple accounts. On some of them this week I will go for payout again, and that's it. Simple trading with the RRC as always. As I say, on my Twitter profile you can find my trades day by day. Here, loses, wins, everything. I post here everything, and that's it. And on this link, okay, you can find link to my YouTube, to my Twitter. You can find discount code for the Tradify and for the Apex. And if you want to support me and like show appreciation for these free videos which I'm doing really for free on the YouTube, I'm not getting any money from the YouTube, then you can use my code. You will get some extra luck, I'm sure. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, ask on the Twitter, ask in the comments here on the YouTube. Leave a like to help my YouTube grow. And that's it. Have a nice day, guys.